Hi guys, another day of unboxing NBA cards. Hit the subscribe button for more upcoming videos of more unboxing for the NBA cards. We've got the FLEER card pack. Here, eight cards a pack. We'll see what's in these. In the first pack, we have one of the Suns, the Jazz, Tim Duncan from the Spurs, Sharpshooters, Celtics, Larry Bird, Jermaine O'Neal, Duncan Cook, Andre Bargnani, Rashid Willis. In this pack, got Ron Artest, Benno Udrih, Kyle Korver, Allen Iverson, Josh Boone, Maurice Williams, Nick Young, and Dante Gren. Pack number 3. Jeff Green, Luther Head, Carl Landry, NBA rookie, Jason Richardson, Kevin Garnett, Samuel Delbert, Michael Red from the Bucks. Next pack. Hakim Warwick, Mickey Moore, Carmelo Anthony, another NBA rookie, Chris Douglas, Adam Morrison, Karen Butler, Richard Hamilton, Josh Caldwell.